feel the vibration, the rhythm knows. Morning dew on every emerald leaf, healing brings a sweet relief. Kingston sun and holy prayer, wisdom floating in the air, skanking to the rolling tide. No place for negative energy to hide. Lift your head to golden sky, let the heavy burdens fly. Bass moves like a mountain stream, fulfilling every righteous dream. Sweet smoke, rhythm in the room, clearing shadows in the gloom. Rooted like a cedar tree, peace is found and we are free. One drop beat like a steady heart, never let the family part. Smoke rising high, smoke rising high, smoke rising high, smoke rising high. Organ bubbles, give thanks for all. Scratchy guitar, hear the call. No room for the city noise, wisdom is the herb we grow. Watching spirit rivers flow, from the root to the fruit, playing on a bamboo flute. Don't let the system take your light, ancient vibration, spirit bright. Natural high, the creator gave, riding on a sonic wave. Roots and culture, roots and culture, rising higher than the eagle, spirit of the lion, regal. Rising higher than the flame, calling out the sacred name. The rhythm is growing, the light is glowing, rooted in the earth. You're rising higher, you're rising high, rooted in the earth. Fading embers in the light, everything is gonna be alright. Smoke rising to the heavens above, filled with power and eternal love. One love, Jah bless.
Welcome to an ancient sound, roots deep in the ground. Feel the smoke and light, everything is alright. Sun peeks through wooden slats, wise men in their hats, passing the chalice in peace, waiting for wars to cease. Skanking guitar sharp and bright, cutting through the night. One drop rhythm steady and true, walking with the salt their view. Catch the spark in the haze, flower in a blooming maze. Hammond organ starts to play, washing the clouds away. Rising smoke like a prayer, heavy rhythm in the air. Sacred smoke, vibration of love, sent from heavens above. Bass rolling deep in your bone, to a place you have known. Smoke rhythm tonight, bringing spirit to light. Analog warmth on the track, no more looking back. Snare crisp like the morning, truth without a warning. Fire and wood, no digitalized, natural rhythm paradise. Healing leaves for the soul, bassline takes control. From Zion's hills to the street, every soul we meet, power of drum and reed, everything that we need. Natural swing, natural grace, steady gentle pace. Light it up, let it flow, in the smoke, wisdom grow. Higher than eagles, deep as the sea, spirit set free. Frequency, open the gate, no more anger or hate, just smoke in the bass, smile on every face. Fade into the purple night, everything is shining bright. Smoke rhythm, ponum, ponum, konum, ponum, konum. Keep the fire in your heart, never let the spirit part. Fading slow, keep the fire in your heart, never let the spirit part. Fading slow, fading slow. Fading slow. up all night, everything is shining bright. Smoke, rhythm, mocha bang, and keep the fire in your heart. Never let the spirit part, fading slow and low.
Higher, higher, higher. Warning mist over sapphire skies. Can you feel the pulse? Fire burns in the iron pot. Thanks for the little we got. Roots deep in fertile ground, waiting for that heavy sound. Rhythm like a ticking clock, steady as the foundation rock. Living life in the gold and green. Spirit moves when drums begin, forgiving every yesterday sin. Lift your head to the burning sun. Our journey has just begun. Oh, the smoke rhythm rising slow, taking us where the weary go. Medicine for the tired mind, leave the heavy weight behind. Sweet aroma in the breeze, one drop for the heart and soul. Make the broken spirit whole. Higher, weary going higher. Higher, weary going higher. Higher, organ bubbles, melody sings, faith in every step it brings. No need for silver or for gold, just stories that the elders told. Deep vibrations in the chest, putting vanity to rest. Feel the vibration, soul vibration, healing the spirit of every nation. From the mountains to the shore, we don't want the war no more, only peace in the rising haze. When the system pulls you down, close your eyes and let it flow. It's a fire that does not burn, a lesson that we all must learn, rising up above the pain. Gentle whispers, night is near, chasing away the flicker of fear. Like a lion in the tall dry grass, watching seasons slowly pass. Embers glow like a distant star, reminding us of who we are. The bass gets heavy, the mood gets deep, promises that the righteous keep. One drop, one soul, I'm so let it drift to the edges of sky. Smoke of peace sent from on high. Steady rhythm, steady heart, never let the music part. Higher, yeah, higher. Feel the vibration. Higher. Oh. Smoke rising like a prayer, ancient sound in the hazy air, rooted deep in the holy ground, yeah. Sun peeked through the mango tree, morning light for you and me. Rolling bassline deep and wide, like the turning of the tide. Guitar skank on the 2 and 4, leaving footprints on the floor. Organ bubbles and the keys, telling stories on the breeze. Every heartbeat is a drum, where the healing light comes from. Elevate your weary soul, let the rhythm take control. Ooh. It is the smoke rhythm rising high, dancing in the indigo sky. One drop beat to set us free. True vibration, sweet harmony. Smoke rhythm, soul on fire. Higher, higher. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, 70s style, and all I want, where the heavy sound was born. Real to real and vintage step, there is no way to escape the magnetic pull of the groove. In the sacred twilight hour, dust is dancing in the light. Everything is feeling right, feel it in your bones, in the heavy bass tone. Smoke rhythm, listen to the echo in the wind, where the melody begins. One drop, one heart, never let the rhythm part, yeah. Roots and culture, life and light, keep the fire burning bright. Burning bright, burning bright, burning bright. Roots and culture, deep and strong. The bass is getting deeper now. show the world exactly how to find the peace within the sound. High above the concrete jungle where the walls begin to crumble, ancient voices call my name. Life will never be the same, never be the same. Running, running. Like the morning mist by the golden sunlight kiss, smoke rhythm never end. My eternal soulful friend, peace and love, yeah. Smoke rhythm, my smoke rhythm, my.
Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Under the sun, let the good times grow. In the garden where the green leaves sway beneath the sky, we dance and play with a little bit of love and a lot of soul. Ganja brings us together, makes us whole. High on the vibes, let the music take control. Lifted by the smoke, we free, we whole in this moment. We alive and bright, reggae rhythms, come and join the light. From the mountains to the sea, nature's blessing, can't you see? With every puff we rise and shine, sharing laughter, love and good times. High on the vibes, let the music take control. Lifted by the smoke, we free, we whole in this moment. We alive and bright, reggae rhythms, come and join the light. So let the world pass by, we'll stay in this groove. With the ganja in our hearts, we got nothing to prove. Every note, every beat takes us higher still. Chasing dreams and vibes, that's the reggae thrill. As the sun sets low, we'll keep the fire bright. In this reggae paradise, everything feels right. So roll another one, let the good times start. High on the vibes, forever in our heart. Forever in our heart. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Let the smoke rise, let the music drive. In the heart of the night, where the shadows play, the bass line rolls, taking troubles away. With a one-drop beat, we gather around under the moonlight. Let the love be found. Smoke Riddim, lifting spirits high. Let the music take us, let our worries fly. In this moment we are truly free. Feel the warmth of the sound, just you and me. Skanking gently with every note. The organ bubbles, it's the sweetest boat. Subtle percussion tapping in the air. In this reggae groove, we haven't a care. Smoke Riddim, lifting spirits high. Let the music take us, let our worries fly. In this moment we are truly free. Feel the warmth of the sound, just you and me. So let the smoke rise, let it fill the scene. With each passing moment we drift like a dream. The echoes of laughter, the love that we share. In this reggae rhythm we find solace there. As the night fades and the dawn breaks clear, we hold on to the music, keeping it near. Smoke Riddim forever in our soul. With every heartbeat we are made whole.